Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video.
Nollywood actress Biodun Okeowo, popularly called Omoboti, by all signs has joined the Mercedes-Benz gang. The fair and pretty movie producer has gotten herself an early Valentine's Day gift worth millions of naira. Congrats have been flowing in from the fans of the actress, who likewise took as much time to repost the vast majority of the Instagram posts of her fans on her Instagram stories. The curvy actress may have quite recently erased the post of her new vehicle, as everybody had the same picture to celebrate her. Nollywood actress Nkechi, who celebrated her and received lots of surprises on February 14, Valentine's Day, has also acquired birthday gifts worth millions of naira. The actress shared the good news on her social media handle and has been receiving congratulatory messages. Nkechi is from Abia State and her mother from Akwa Ibom. And also, her colleagues industry hit her comment section to rejoice with her. Moyolawa wrote, Nisi, Flexa, Mesaigbe congratulated the latest venture owner. She wrote congratulations with, while Iyabo Ojo commented by leaving some love struck emoji.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.